How to fix your Audiomack keeps crashing. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can solve this problem. The first thing you want to try to do is restart your phone. Once you simply go ahead and restart it, your temporary glitches should go ahead and fix this problem. But if that doesn't work, also check your internet connection, because you do need a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to go ahead and open this application. Also, if you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and head into settings, apps, Audiomack, and storage, and clear your cache. If you have any updates pending for the application, open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device and simply go ahead and update your application. Always make sure that your software updates are up to date whether you're on Android or iOS, and you need to make sure that you have enough storage space as well. If that doesn't work, try closing the application and reopening it, and if that doesn't work, simply go ahead and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.